So in my freshman year of high school, it was kind of hard to find a club where we could just have fun during X Block, because a lot of the a lot of the clubs that we initially joined during our freshman year I don't know, it just felt like it wasn't clicking. It was hard to find a STEM related club that really resonated with us, and that's where we started the drone club. Since we figured we could just create a fun, safe space for people to learn about this new technology, and it doesn't really exist. Certainly funding. The drone club is very capital heavy, so it means we require a lot of drones to get the club started. So that was a very difficult initially. To start, we really just had one drone that we raised with a bake sale that we had, and that lasted us for almost 2 years before we amassed a fleet. So yeah, that's a big part. We have 5 drones. We have 2 Telos, we have a Mini SE, we have a Mini, and we have a DJI Air 2S, which is our best drone. So the way drone generates lift, unlike an airplane, is it uses lift produced, or downward thrust produced by 4 propellers that allow the drone to lift up and down. So there's right now actually we're practicing different terms for how to use the drone, how to use different drone controls. But the main basic controls are roll. So roll would be tilting the drone, moving the drone left or right. So that would be applying more thrust to one side over the other, and allows one side of the drone to tip. Pitch is the same idea, except instead of being either side alternating thrust, you have the back or the front propellers having more or less thrust. And yaw, so that allows the drone to spin in place. So we usually meet only during X Block, just because it's the time that works most with everyone, and we want this to be like a club anyone can join. So X Blocks is a really great time for that, and we're very happy to have it. We do meet occasionally outside of school. We do some drone excursion trips, like we've done some to the old U.S. Naval field in South Weymouth, and we've done some to Lars Anderson. So those are great places to fly drones as well, and just change of environment. We can practice our photography skills. But we do those maybe monthly, and but we coordinate as a club, so we try to make it work for everyone. So during the winter, we usually do drone building. Last year we were trying to make an RC plane. We're going to finish that project this year. We also do we also focus a lot on photography. So we use Lightroom, photo editing skills, trying to develop our craft. Just show up. I mean, you don't even need to own a drone. Of course, if you have a drone, feel free to bring it, because this is a close drone community that we like to share with everyone. But if you don't have a drone, or you don't even have any flying skills, just show up.
I joined because me and my friends wanted to start something new. I didn't really catch on to the idea until about a few months after, when I realized we had a really nice community going for us, and it's just very fun to fly drones.
I joined the club because me and the founder have been friends since middle school, and I just thought it was a really good opportunity. And I don't know, drones have always interested me. I've always been interested in things like STEM, things like that, and this just seemed like a good opportunity.
I joined it mostly because I needed something to do. I had left a club I did the previous year, and I didn't make the sports team I had expected to, so I just joined it because I have a drone at home and I wanted to fly drones more and learn about aerophotography stuff.
I like the community we build. It's very nice to just meet new people and just have a good time with old friends. In terms of drone flying, we do a lot of time trials with them. That's probably one of my favorite parts. It's just to see how well you know how a drone feels to control. And it's a good competition to have with people.
I mainly like the atmosphere of the club. Since it's run by me and people that I know, I usually have strong connections in there. I feel a sense of community, and usually we kind of just do more laid-back activities such as flying, taking photography. No one takes it overly serious, which I feel is a really big part about it, because I feel like it would just kind of be something that I wouldn't look forward to if it wasn't so fun and laid back.
I like flying drones, of course. That's fun. We do like a lot of different things where we like do blind flying with instructions. So we learn like the specific terms of how we fly drones, and then we've experimented with like photography and photo editing, which I found both interesting and like sort of useful, I guess.